Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Excellent.
Have a good one.
I wish you luck on your journey.
Thank you.
Intricate designs you're wearing. Have you embedded any sort of technology inside these outfits? Interesting. Nothing that none of you will use to stand between me and Alistair Craig. Like those members of that team calling themselves Big Hero 6, no? Excellent. Well then perhaps you can gather some information for me. See if you can find the whereabouts of one Alistair Craig, an industrialist who launched Project Silent Sparrow, cutting corners, ignoring the science, leading to my daughter's disappearance. On your way. Hello there, young one. You remind me very much of my daughter. I know someone here has information regarding Alistair Cray's whereabouts. Do not hesitate to let it be known. I have a gift for Mr. Cray. I was hoping to give to him. Don't transmit any of that data to Cray Tech Industries. Happy Halloween.